The act of buying a beautiful scarf is now a beautiful act thanks to Jhpiego. This international nonprofit health organization has ties to Johns Hopkins and is dedicated to improving the health of women and families in developing countries. For more than 40 years and in more than 155 different countries, Jhpiego has worked to prevent needless deaths of women and children, saving countless lives. With me now are Tara McDowell and Stephanie Shaw to tell us more about the organization's life-saving efforts. Thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you for having me.
So tell us about these beautiful scarves. What are they? Where do they come from? Who designed them? Because they are really, really gorgeous.
Thanks, Elsa. So the Woman of the World scarf is 100% silk. It was exclusively made for Jhpiego by an artist, Rachel Roberry. All the proceeds, 100% of the proceeds from the scarf benefit Jhpiego and our work.
And so what's featured on this scarf?
Yes, so on the scarf you can see the women who actually work with us at Jhpiego. This is Sarah. She's a community health worker from Chad who works with Jhpiego. She works tirelessly to ensure that her community has access to all healthcare needs, like making sure that community members have access to mosquito beds to prevent mosquito-borne transmission.
Like malaria.
Yeah, like malaria and dengue.
Wow. And then on the back of this scarf, I think you've got other women too, right?
Yeah, so there's 4 women in total.
Beautiful. I mean, that detail, and you said 100% of the proceeds go towards funding the work that Jhpiego does. For people that are not familiar with Jhpiego, talk about the different facets that you do with this organization.
Sure. So Jhpiego works in a variety of areas, from maternal and child health to HIV/AIDS, malaria prevention, cervical cancer treatment and prevention. We use the best science and research and practice from the field to ensure that women have access to improved health services.
That's amazing. And this is for who benefits from this? Where are these services going?
Yeah, so they go to the women in the communities. We also train community health workers and frontline health workers and nurses to ensure that we're improving and strengthening health systems.
So these are in developing nations?
Yes.
Okay. Mostly in Africa or elsewhere?
So Jhpiego works currently in about 40 countries. Most of them are in parts of Africa, Southeast Asia, the places that really need these services the most.
I love the concept of sort of women helping women through the scarves, but also you have other ways that people in the community can get involved with Jhpiego's mission.
Yes.
Can you talk about that?
Sure. So you can donate on our website, or you can purchase the scarf. As we said, 100% go to the women. For example, to Sarah, they go to programs that support Sarah's efforts.
And so this work that you do, just describe the feeling of working for an organization like Jhpiego when you see that your efforts and the efforts of the community are actually being actualized.
Jhpiego is a very inspiring organization. We have incredibly passionate people that are working tirelessly to provide these services and create really sustainable change in improving the health services for women and their families worldwide.
It's very, very unique. You have to be proud of being a part of something like this.
Definitely.
So people want to get involved. I know you said they can donate online. Excuse me, I'm losing my voice here. Too much partying for the new year. They can donate online. Is there any other way that they can get involved, or is that the main way?
That would be the main way. Absolutely. We're also very prominent on social media. So get on Facebook, Twitter, like us, share our tweets.
Wear those scarves, hashtag you guys.
Yeah,
right?
absolutely.
Right. Thank you so much for joining us.
Thank
we really
you.
appreciate it.
Thank you for
Beautiful
having us.
scarves. And we'll be right back with more Midday Maryland right after the break.